skin.
Hey, beautiful babes. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are here. We are back. We are doing this thing. I'm so glad if you were away for a little while. Because I've been right here. But guess what it is? Right about now, we are in facial February. Excuse me for sounding like your old Uncle Joe. But girl, that little head cold tried to take me out, but I had to whip up some good for it. And we're probably going to talk about that over here too. I have my famous tea that I love to drink that gets me back, snap back. So you may not have even missed me, but sometimes I don't even have to talk. But it is on this other note, facial February. And I'm glad you're here to partake in it because, girl, you're going to learn a whole lot over the next, I'm calling it facial February, but it's probably going to extend into March. Who knows? It is that time of the year when we got to get our snap back. We got to get our groove back. We got to get our glow up. And yes, we going to do that. Even in the wintertime. And excuse me for having my towel on, but I just got out of the shower. Yes, so that I can come to y'all fresh and clean. And a nice, fresh, clean face. But baby, the face is feeling a little tight right about now. But when I try to reach for my wonderful facial oil that I mix up, girl, we need to mix up some more. So I said, why not share it with my beautiful babes? So that is why we're here today. How y'all doing? Please drop in the comments who's tuning in with your girl today and where are you tuning in from? Because we're about to whip up something and I want you to share it all over your town. So let's get ready for it, okay? Because my skin is feeling like it needs some hydration. So if your skin is feeling dry right about now, like mine, and you need to get that glow back glowing, or even elasticity support, this oil is going to do you some good. I call it my winter face oil, but let me go ahead and do this. Before I keep talking, let your girl just drain out a little bit of this one. Because baby, I could not get through this video right about now unless I put these last few drops. These last few drops need to come on through for you, girl. Because, oh my gosh, girl, look at there. She already feeling great. Yes, she is. Oh my gosh. This was not going to be good if I didn't get to this right about now. Winter can do a number on you. And the skin is going to suffer first and foremost if you've been out in the weather. So let's get to this today. Let me show you what you need. And you know what? The crazy part is because it is kind of bad outside. Y'all know this winter weather has hit everywhere hard. My third ingredient I don't have. I only have two of them. But I think one of these have a little rosehip in it. So I'm good. Listen, come on. Let me show you what to whip up. You're going to take your little bottle. This bottle I would not recommend. It does not have a screw top on it, but I just use it in my bathroom every night when I'm using my oil, okay? What you're going to need, let's take the top off of this. You're going to need some jojoba oil. Jojoba oil. I love the Clayganic brand, and we're going to take, keep it simple, one teaspoon of it into your bottle. And I'm just going to do several little dropperfuls of it because, girl, like so. And the next thing we're going to need that I don't have is a teaspoon of rosehip oil. And I love the rosehip oil from Clayganic, as all Clayganic. Okay, today is a Clayganic day. Y'all got the plug, Clayganic. I did order me some rosehip oil, as I was beginning to say. However, with the weather being so cray-cray, It's out in the wind, y'all. Amazon is not coming through our neighborhood right about now. As a matter of fact, Mike had to go pick up the order. So anyway, let me move on. And the final thing you're going to need is a few drops of vitamin E oil in here. So just like that. Okay, just like that. And you're just going to get it all blended together. And this is one of the most powerful winter skin defense oils that you can bank on. Yeah. I even use my roller tool with it. And honey, girl, you're going to be in business. For sure. Just trying to get it together, y'all. Just trying to get it together. But this is it. Okay, you got it? 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, 1 teaspoon of rosehip oil, and a couple of drops of vitamin E. And there you go, your winter skin defense oil that's going to help you get that glow up, help with elasticity support, and also hydration. Now you can put this on top of your favorite moisturizer if you like, or you can use it solo dolo. And that's it. Y'all have a good one. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care, babies.
You said life and life, but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide. Still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried. But looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's 5 day, baby, let's come back round.